I honestly have no words anymore. I feel like I've been bamboozled, like I've been lied to my whole entire lifetime to being fat. Because tell me, how did I get my Spotify rap name? Let me just let you guys know, this is my first year using Spotify now. I've never been a Spotify user. I've always downloaded music, but now there's one time I decide to use Spotify now. They decide to be whack as fuck. I don't listen to new school rap now unless they lyrical miracle type of rappers. Now please tell me, make me understand how, because I do not understand this now. How is Youngboy my second artist of the year, of my top artist? But I've probably only played one Youngboy song my whole entire year just to make cut of him for my cousin, just to show my cousin that I'm listening to this. Now how is this possible? How is this possible? I understand the tracks though. The tracks is a bit valid though, even though I've listened to hundreds and hundreds of more songs way more times than this. And these artists, I've listened to hundreds of more artists way more times. But I ain't complaining about the rest of the list, and I ain't complaining about the songs list. But what is this though? Where did Youngboy fall out? Where did you come into the picture, my bro? Because I swear I left you in primary school, bro. I swear I left you in grade 8, bro. What the post?